Hey everyone, today we are going to do a few exercises to focus on our mingmen, also known as the gate of life. So we're going to start by rubbing our hands together, creating some heat and creating some energy. And then we're going to place our hands on our lower back over our kidneys and again rub up and down to call the energy to the back of our body. The mingmen is an acupoint or energy center that's located on the lower back between the two kidneys directly behind the belly button. Now with our hands remaining over top of our kidneys, we're going to do hip circles. So you're going to start with smaller circles and just open up into larger circles going in one direction. This again is just helping to open up and warm up that energy center. And making those hip circles go as big as you can go, then you can start winding them in slowly. And then rotate to the other side. And why it's really important for us to focus on our mingmen is because when it's open, we have access to our energy, our vitality, and it's also really good for hormone balance. When it's not functioning well, think of it as a traffic jam and congestion. Nothing can get in and out. But when it's open, traffic or energy can flow freely. So it's really important to have it open. And just begin winding in with your hip rotations, making them smaller and smaller until you come to a stop. And now we begin knocking. Starting at the lower back, you're just going to knock all the way up from the center of the spine as far as you can reach and just knock back down. Keeping your hands open and loose, you're not punching yourself, you're not hurting yourself, you're just lightly knocking along your spine. And go ahead and stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're just going to gently rotate and let your arms swing in front of you and behind you. They're going to be hitting your lower back and your lower abdomen. So this is going to again be hitting that mingmen point, which is right between the kidneys. This is going to help just to release that stuck and stagnant energy within the body and help to energize the spine. And because our arms are also swinging in front of us, they're also knocking on our digestive organs, on our liver, our spleen, so it will help to get things moving along as well. And you can start really twisting from the hips, really turning as you're doing this, just allowing the lower back, the belly, and the core, everything to really open up. And once again, place your hands over top of your kidneys, and we're going to rub up and down to stimulate some more energy, get some heat, some warmth. And we're going to do some kidney breathing. So keeping your hands over top of your kidneys, as I would normally tell you to focus on your belly, you're going to breathe in and focus your breathing all the way down to your kidneys. So go ahead and breathe in, focus on your kidneys, pulling that air all the way down, and then breathe out. Breathing in and out. Breathe in, and we're going to just collect all that surrounding energy, that surrounding chi, and bring it down the center of our bodies as we breathe out. And again, breathe in, extending the arms, and out. And last time, go ahead and breathe in and out. And we'll finish up with breathing into our lower dantian. So breathing in, pulling it all the way down to the belly, and out. Again, breathing in, pulling it to our lower dantian, and breathing out. One last time, breathing in, and letting everything out. Awesome job, guys. Thanks again for practicing with me. I will see you guys soon.